Alright guys, walking to the canal through the seagrass all by myself today. Hopefully that's good, because usually when I'm alone, that's when I catch something good. And see all that dirt over there? You find arrowheads up in there. There's a guy locally that looks through there and he finds some really nice arrowheads in there. Alright, let's get to fishing. There's been a lot of little guys jumping in the air, nothing big, just little dinky looking things, as you saw from the one I caught. And I think this is a little dinker too. Yep. Dinkers. What is with the dinkers? Especially catching big ones, not dinkies. I do mean dinkies. Woo! Hey. There's gotta be a big one out here somewheres. In the midst of all these little guys, because this is ridiculous. I actually caught that little one out pretty far. I was surprised. I don't know, it's 92 degrees and icky and humid. We'll keep trucking. Oh, I got myself a bluegill. Look at that. No, that's not a bluegill. It's a long ear. Nice. Alright. Alright everybody, that's a nice fish. I don't know if you guys can see the blue. Long ear. Beautiful orange. Beautiful fish. Alright, let's let her go. She's gone. Finally, I think I got myself a decent bass. Yes. Something other than a dink. Come here, baby. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. Like that catch, guys? Oh, she got a boo-boo on her mouth. Look at that. Ew. That was there. There you go. Something that's at least a pound. It's about time. Alright. Nice one. Alright. Alright. Put this little guy back. Alright, little one. You and your bum lip, poor thing. There you go. Back to the darkness. Whatever I got, it's small. Ah, yay! I'm on my third species again today. I got me a striper! Oh my goodness. Come on, baby. Whoa. No need for all this. Relax. Man, you got it right in the bottom of your lip, right in your tongue. Open your mouth, dude. Hit it when they get it in the bottom of their tongue. There we go. Took me a minute, but all good. Real little guy. Okay, we need to find the big ones. Got myself another striper. I didn't even realize he was on because he was coming right at me. I thought I had just some weeds. Oh my goodness. Can you please stop? Thank you. Oh, you got yourself good. Alright, let me get them off, guys. Alright, let this big guy go. Ha ha ha. All I'm gonna catch tonight is dinkers. Alright. Striper. Oh, vigor. A little bigger. Not much bigger. But it's something.